Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to create an event on Facebook. Firstly, log into your Facebook business account and go to the Events section. Then click Create New Event. Add the name, location, start and end time and date of your event. And upload a photo, video or GIF to represent your event. Just include highlights of the event and reasons to attend. Choose keywords and a category to help people find your event. Add a co-host to help manage the event, or add a link if your event requires tickets or registration. Customize who can see the guest list in settings, and once ready, click Create Event to make it live, or save as draft to return later. Your Facebook event now is live and set up, ready to go. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.